how to export as PDF in Figma. So let's say you have your Figma project and it's done. So what we want to do is we want to group this. So I'm just going to select everything here from the layers and I'm going to make it a frame. So I'm just going to right click and go to frame selection or Control Alt G on your keyboard. And now once that's done, I can go to the right hand side and I go to the very bottom of it until I see export, which is the last tab. So just click on that, or you can click on this little plus sign here and it will expand it. And now I see the different options. This is my size. So 1x means it's going to be 1:1. We can also upscale or downscale it by these factors. We can add a suffix, and here from where it says PNG, we're gonna select the file type. So in this case, I want PDF. So I click this and go to the drop down and I click on PDF, which should be the last option here. And again, I can preview it to see how it's gonna look like. And after that, I just click export frame and it will start downloading it as a PDF. There's also some advanced options here. When I click on these three dots, this will give me the color profile, which I can choose from here, or I can also include the bounding box, which I don't want in this case. So that's it. That's how you export as PDF in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.